Hello friends, welcome to my channel, myself Parag Dambulkar. Up till now, we have seen basic concepts of Lightning Web Components. We have seen how to set up VS Code for LWC. We have seen data binding, we have seen data property, we have seen conditional rendering, we have seen for each loop, we have seen iterator loop. Also, we have seen different decorators. We have seen add API, add track, add wire decorators. We have also seen data communication between different LWC components. We have seen communication from parent component to child component, from child component to parent component, and also we have seen how to use Lightning Message Service for communication between unrelated components. So we have covered all these basic concepts. Now what we will do, we will use all these concepts and we will build one LWC project. So from this video, we will start new video series on LWC project. So see how our project will look like. So see, our project will be like this. Name of the project is Organizations, Accounts and Context Management. Here we will have one search bar like this. Now see, in this search bar, if we search something like this and if we click on search button, so see, here we got different options, right? Now see, if we click on view context, so on right hand side you can see in this component here, on this component we have different buttons. So see, this button is for edit, this button is for deleting this contact, and this button is for adding new contact. In this project we will have 4 LWC components. This is one component, this is another component, and both these components are embedded in third component, and this is fourth component. In this project we will try to use all basic concepts. We will see how to use Lightning layout, we will see how to use Lightning data table, we will see how to communicate from parent to child component, child to parent component, and also we'll see how to communicate between these unrelated components. In this video, we will see how to fetch data from the Salesforce objects, and that we will do by using Apex classes. So in this project, we will try to use all basic concepts. Instead of creating big video, what we will do, we will divide this video into parts. In every video, we will mention part name. For example, part 1, part 2, part 3. So that you can easily track all these project videos. So this is our first video in this video series. So see what we will do, we will create project like this, right? So for that purpose, we will create new page. So see how to create new Lightning app page. So for that purpose, we have to go to setup. In setup, we have to search Lightning app builder. Okay, so here you can see all the Lightning pages. So see, all these are Lightning pages. Now see, we have to create new Lightning page, right? So see, here we have button new. Okay, so see what we want to create app page, right? Next, suppose we will give name LWC project 2. Next, here we have to choose design our Lightning app page. So see, here we will choose main region and right sidebar. So see, our Lightning app page will look like this. Now see, we will click on done. Okay, so later on we will add components here. So see, I am clicking on save. Okay, so page got saved, right? Now we will click on activate. Okay, so everything is done. Now we will click on save. Finish. We will click on save button, then back button. Okay, so see our Lightning app page is created, right? We have given name LWC project 2, right? So see, again we'll go to sales app. So see, from this app launcher, here we will search sales. Okay, now see LWC project 1, this page is there, right? So here we will add our new page LWC project 2. So see, here we have one button. Here you can see, here we have pen icon, right? So see, if I take cursor over here, so here it is showing personalize your new bar, right? So click on this. Whatever the tabs those are present on new bar, those are listed here, right? Now see, we have to add our new page, right? So for that purpose, we have to click on add more items. all. Okay, scroll down. Our Lightning app page name is LWC Project 2, right? So click on this plus icon. So see, we got this tick. That means it is selected. Okay, now we will click on add one new item. Okay, save. Okay, it is done, right? Now see, if we click on this more, so here you can see LWC Project 2, right? But see, we want LWC Project 2 here, right? So we can do drag and drop. So see, what we will do, we will drag and drop like this. So we have added new Lightning app page, that is LWC Project 2, right? This LWC Project 1 already that we have created, and we have added new Lightning app page, that is LWC Project 2. Now one by one we will create our LWC components, and that LWC components we will add on this Lightning app page LWC Project 2, right? Okay. Now see, in our LWC project, name is organizations, accounts and context management, right? And look at this, this is one big component, and inside this big component we have two small components. So see, one component having this search bar, and this is another component, right? So see, we have this big component, right? So see, we will give name account parent, and in this parent component we have two small components. So we will give name account child 1 and account child 2. So see, here we have three components, one big components, and inside that we have two more components, right? Account child 1 and account child 2. In this account child 1 we will add search bar, and in this account child 2 component we will show search result. So see, we have this big component, we will give name account parent. This is one small component, so we will give name account child 1, and this is another small component, so we will give name account child 2. Okay, so see, we will create these components. We will open VS Code. Now see, I have opened VS Code. How to set up VS Code for LWC component, so that already we have seen. We have one video on that. If you have not seen that video, please go through it. Okay, now see, we will create our new project. So see, here we have gear icon, click on this, then here we have command palette. Okay, now see, we have to create new project, right? So see, I am clicking on create project. Okay, choose standard. I am giving name LWC project 9, because already I have created projects up to 8. So see, for this project I am giving name LWC project 9. So any name you can give. Press enter. Okay, we have to give location. So here we will give this folder. Okay, click on create project. Okay, so see, our project is created, right? Now see, in this force dash app, okay, so in that we have main folder, in that we have default folder, and in default folder we have this remaining folders. Now see, here it is showing no default org set, right? So we have to set up org, we have to authorize our account. So see, we will click on no default org set, click on this. Okay, so see, after clicking on this we got this, right? So see, here we have option authorize in org, click on this. As we are using Salesforce developer org, so here we have to choose production. Okay, we will give some name. So see, suppose I am giving Apex Dev. Enter. Here we have to provide username and password. So see, okay, so I have entered username and password. Now we will click on login. Here we got message authentication successful, right? Okay, now see, we will close it, and here you can see Apex Dev. So our org is authorized, and here it is added. Now see, in this force dash app, here we have LWC, right? So see, we will right click on this, we will choose this option create lightning web component. Okay, so we will give some name. So see, initially we have to create three components: account child 1, account child 2 and account parent, right? So see, here we'll give some name account child 1, press enter, default directory. Okay, so one component is created, right? Now see, one more component we will create. So again we will choose create lightning web component. Okay, we will give name account child 2. press enter, choose default directory. Okay, so we have created our second component, right? Account child 2. Now see, we'll create our third component. We will give name account parent, right? Press enter, default directory. So see, we have created our three LWC components: account child 1, account child 2, and account parent. Here you can see account parent, account child 1, account child 2, right? So here you can see this is account child 1, this is account child 2, and this complete is account parent, right? Okay, now see, in account child 1, in HTML we will add some message. Suppose here we will add account child 1, something like this. And in account child 2, in HTML file, here we will add account child 2, like this, right? Now see, what we will do, in account parent component we will embed account child 1 and account child 2. So see how we can do it. So in account parent component, in HTML file, so see here we will add lightning card like this. So see, here we will have one component and another component will be in another lightning card like this. Okay, now see, here we will give one title. So see, same title we will copy: organizations, accounts, and contacts management. Okay, so I am copying it and here I will paste. Okay, so see, I have pasted here. Now see, in first lightning card we will embed account child 1 and another lightning card we will embed account child 2, right? So see how to embed. Here we have to add one tag. So see, it is child component, right? So see, C dash, here we have to mention account child 1 in kebab case, right? So see how we can write. So see, account, one word, then second word is child, right? Child 1. So in this way we can mention our LWC component name. So how we have mentioned? For that purpose we have used kebab case, right? In kebab case, all these words are separated by this hyphen or dash, and all words are written in small letter like this. And how we will come to know that another word has started? So see, here child has started with the capital letter C, right? So that's why we have considered child 1 as a new word. So here child 1 and account, those are separated by hyphen or dash, right? Suppose if we have three words, so that three words will be separated by hyphen. So any number of words that we have in LWC component name, so that will be separated by hyphen like this. Now see, in this lightning card we will embed another LWC component, that is account child 2, right? Okay, so see here, so see, as it is child component, C hyphen account dash child 2, like this. So see, this is the kebab case, right? That kebab case here we have used. So here in this lightning card we are embedding account child 1 and another lightning card we are embedding account child 2, right? Okay, so I am saving it. Okay, so see, this black dot, it is showing it is not saved. So see, we have to save it by Control yes. This also we will save it by Control yes. Okay, so all codes we have saved, all files we have saved. So see, we have to embed account child 1 and account child 2 in this account parent, right? So what we have to do, in this account parent third file, that is meta.xml file, here we have to make is exposed tag as true. So see, here we have to write true, right? And targets we have to add like this. So where we want to show this project? On lightning app page, right? So see, target we will add like this, lightning app page. So see, in meta.xml file, what we have done is exposed true, right? We have set value true. That means we can use this component as an independent component. And account child 1 and account child 2, these are parts of this component, account parent, right? So because of that, we will not change is exposed in account child 1 and account child 2. Because account parent, we have to show it as an independent component, and account child 1 and account child 2, these are parts of account parent. Here we have made it true, and we have also added targets like this, right? So within targets tag, target, one more tag we have to add, and here we have mentioned lightning app page, right? Okay, so we have saved it. Now we will deploy onto the org. So see, first we have to deploy account child 1 and account child 2, and then we have to deploy account parent, because account parent component is dependent on these two components, right? So that's why we have to deploy account child 1, account child 2, and after that we have to deploy account parent. So see, we will deploy. So for that purpose, here we have to click on deploy source to org. Okay, it is done. In the same way, we will deploy account child 2, deploy source to org. Okay, it is done. Then account parent, so that also we will deploy. Okay, it is also done, right? Now see, so in our lightning app page, that is LWC project 2, so here we will add components, right? So how to add? So for that purpose, we have to click on this gear icon, then edit page. Okay, lightning app builder page is opened. Now see, scroll down. Here we have this component account parent, right? So drag and drop. Okay, we got this component. Now click on save, click on back button. Okay, so on our lightning app page, we have added this component, right? So this complete component is account parent, and within this account parent component, we have two more components, account child 1 and account child 2, right? Now see, what we will do, here we will add search bar, and also we will add one button, right? So see, here you can see, like this we will add search bar, and also we will add one button. So see, here we have to add search bar and button. So for that purpose, in VS Code, so see, in account child 1, because this component is account child 1, right? So here we have to add search bar and button. So see, in account child 1, in HTML page, here you can see, here we have to add search bar and one button. So for that purpose, we have to use tag lightning input like this. Now see, label we have to add, label is equal to, now see what label we should give. So here you can see, what is the label? Enter account name, right? So see, that text I am copying, and here we will paste. Okay, so here we have added enter account name, right? So that we have done. Now see, we will add one button. So see, lightning button like this. Now see, for this lightning button, we will add one attribute, that is label. And what label we have to add? Search, right? So see, like this. So here we have added one text field with label enter account name. So here we have added one button with the label search, right? Okay, now save it. Now see, we have made changes in account child 1, right? Okay, so again we will deploy it. Now see, so our lightning app page is LWC project 2, right? Now we will refresh it by Control F5 like this. Okay, so see, here we got this text field, and also we got this search button, right? Like this. So here we have this text field and search button, right? And here also we got text field and button, but it doesn't look good, right? Here if you see, so see, it is shown in one line, right? This search button and this text field, it is in one line. So what we will do, we will modify this text field and this button. So see, so for that purpose, we have to use lightning layout tab. By using lightning layout tab, these components we can show in column. So see, this is one column and this is another column, right? This is called as lightning layout item, and this is another lightning layout item. Okay, so see, here we will make some change. So see, here we will add tag lightning dash layout like this. Okay, so closing tag we will paste here. like this. Now see, this will be one lighting layout item and this will be another lighting layout item, right? So see, here we'll mention, here we'll add one tag, lightning dash layout item, like this. Okay, and this closing tag we will paste here, like this. Okay, so see, same lighting layout item tag we'll use for this component, and closing tag here we'll paste, like this. Okay, so what we have done, we are using lighting layout tag, and inside that we have this lighting layout item. So this is first lighting layout item and this is another lighting layout item, right? So see, we have made changes in account child 1, right? So we will deploy it. Okay, now see, we will press Ctrl F5. So here you can see this text field has come in first column and this search button is in another column, right? Now see, we'll increase size. So what we'll do, this text field, right? So for this lightning layout item, here we'll add size. Size is equal to 8, something like this, right? Again we will deploy. Let us see. Okay, got deployed. Control F5. Okay, so here you can see size has been increased, right? Now see, if you want to know how to use lightning layout tag, so see, on Google you have to search lightning component library. So see, we will search on Google. So see, we got this first link, click on this. Okay, so here we have lightning, right? Click on this, scroll down. So all these are predefined components. So see, in layout component, if you scroll down, so from this you will come to know how to use lightning layout. In the same way, you can find out how to use layout item, right? Lightning layout item. Scroll down and here you will find code to use lightning layout item, right? So in this way we can use lightning layout and lightning layout item. Now see, we have to arrange this text field and button properly. So here you can see on this web page there is one space here, right? So how we can get this space? By padding, and there is one space in between this, right? Before search button we have this space, right? So this is called a margin. So what is the difference between padding and margin? So see, padding means it is the space inside the element's border. So see, within border whatever the space we have, that is called as padding, and outside the border whatever the space that we want, that is called as margin, right? Inside the border whatever the space that we require, padding, and outside the border, margin. Why I am telling this? Because Salesforce has provided some predefined CSS classes, and in that predefined classes this padding and margin words are used. So see, where we can find this Salesforce predefined CSS classes. So for that purpose on Google we have to search SLDS utility classes. I have copied this. Now see, on Google we will search. Okay, so here we got first link, right? Click on this. So see, on the left hand side here you can find all the predefined classes. So see, scroll down. Here we have margin and padding, right? So click on padding. Okay, scroll down. So see, all these are predefined Salesforce classes, like this. So see, here this P stands for padding. Now see, how much space that you want. So see, none means there is no space, right? Okay, scroll down. Now see, on the top we have small space, right? So see, triple X dash small. So on the top we have small space, right? Again scroll down. On the top, so here you can see there are 2x, right? There was triple X, so that was very small space. Now bigger than that. Scroll down. Again bigger than that, right? So see, space is getting increased from the top, right? Now what we want space from all the side, right? So scroll down. So see, here location is left, right? That means we will have space from the left side. Again scroll down. Here you can see location bottom, right? That means we can have space from the bottom. Okay, again scroll down. Here we have location right. That means we can have space from the right. Right? Okay. Again scroll down. Horizontal, that means from the left and right. Vertical, that means top and bottom. Again scroll down. Okay. Now see, if we want space from all the sides. So for that purpose, we have to use this around. Right? And what are the predefined classes? So see, all these are the predefined classes. Now see, as we scroll down, so that space will get increased. So none means there is no space. Then triple X small means small space from all the side. Right? Okay. Again scroll down. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll take this class SLDS dash P dash around underscore medium like this. We will copy this. So by this we'll get space from all the side. Right? Okay. So I'm copying this. We will use it for the lightning layout tag. Right? Okay. So see here we will mention class is equal to, and here we will paste it like this. Right? Okay. So see, we will deploy it. Okay, it is done. Now see. Okay, so we will refresh it. So here you can see this is our lighting layout, right? So within this, within the border, here we have this space, right? This is called as padding, right? So by using predefined class, we have added this padding space. Now see, this search bar, we will take it down, right? So see, for that purpose, we will use another predefined class. So see, here we have padding, right? Now we will click on margin. Okay, so here we can get margin predefined classes. Now see, we want margin from the top, right? So for that purpose, we will choose one class which will add space on the top, right? So see. Okay, so see, suppose I am taking this. So I am taking this class. So see, for this search button, we have to use this class, right? Class is equal to, here I am pasting it, right? Now see, again we will deploy. Okay, let us see. Control F5. Okay, so still it has not come in this line, right? So what we will do, we'll choose another class. So see, suppose I am taking this large. Okay, so I am copying this. Now see, instead of this, we will paste new class. Okay, now see, again we will deploy. Okay, now see, we will refresh by Control F5. Okay, now you can see this search button is in the same line, right? This search button is in the same line as that of search bar, right? Now see, we want some space here, right? We want some space here. So see, we have added space on the top, right? So that's why we have added some margin class. We have used some margin class, and here we want some space on the left hand side of this search button. So for that purpose, here we will use one class. So see, we want space from the left side, right? So this is location from the top, right? Scroll down, left, right? So see, from the left side we want some space. So see how much space we want. So accordingly we can choose some class. So see, suppose I am using this SLDS dash m left underscore medium like this. So accordingly we will get some space. So see, for this lightning layout item tag, here we will add another class. So see, space paste. Okay, so here we are adding two classes, right? Margin from the top and margin from the left. Okay, we are saving it. Okay, now we will deploy. Now see, we will refresh it. Okay, so here you can see space is added from the left, right? So in this way we have aligned this text field and search button properly. Now in next video we will see how to pass this search text. So see, suppose I am searching Parag, right? So if I click on this search, this Parag should be transferred to this another component, right? In next video we will see how to pass this search text to another component. Okay, so we will meet in next video. Thank you.